guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a twist out, but specifically hair paint wax. So I asked my Instagram and a lot of people said they wanted to see me style. As far as all the other products that I'll be using, I'll probably just do a voiceover for that. I'm trying to do my intro quickly because there's construction going on in the background and I don't want to be you guys to hear bang 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 bang. So I'll definitely give you guys more description of any of the products, but pretty much I'm going to be using this leave-in that I haven't used for a while. The aloe vera gel drop. Somebody did ask me, a couple of you guys asked me to review it, but I was waiting for another batch. Now I got a 4 ounce, so after this is done I'm definitely going to give you guys a full on review. I did do a lens check yesterday so that when I'm done with this I can see if my hair grew or not and just share the benefits. And then the last thing I'm going to be using is the Adane Cultural Solutions, the hair milk complex, because I want to finish it out too. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going in with Good Stuff Complete Repair Balm No Rinse Conditioner. So pretty much is a leave-in conditioner. This is actually a vegan brand. Now I reviewed this a couple of months ago, I'd say about 2-3 months ago on this channel already, but pretty much I still like it. This is actually the second time since I did the review. I'm surprised I didn't finish it already, and honestly, even though I used a lot, I still have enough for one more wash day, which I'm surprised about because I did use a lot on each section. So I'm just going in through each section, and pretty much they just say to use this after you lather up with your sulfate-free shampoo, and then use a quarter size amount, and then do your stuff drying and styling as you wish. And there's 0 parabens, 0 dyes. I actually got this in one of the Target beauty boxes, so that's how I even came to know this brand. But I do like this no rinse conditioner, and it smells really good too. Now I'm going in with my Beauty Rashida Growth Aloe Vera Gel Drops. Like I said before, I'm a brand ambassador for this brand, so if this is the first time you're watching this video and you don't know, I originally got these drops before, about, I believe it was in July, yeah, so a couple of months ago. And at first it smelled like rice proteins, like rice water, but the owner did send me a 4 ounce, which is the one that I'm applying now, and she did add other stuff because it smells really good now. I do not know exactly what is in there. When I talk to the brand owner, I will definitely reach out and let you guys know. Now this is the Roots Adane Cultural Selection, the Repair and Restore Maintenance and Curl Hair Milk Complex. This is a black owned brand that I use for a while, but I have not showcased their products in a minute. So yeah, this is just a brand here where I live in New York, but they do ship to other states. I'm not sure about countries, so I don't want to say countries, but I know definitely they do ship to other states. Now this specific product has almond herb, calendula, and basil. And the almond herb is just to elevate collagen levels, accelerate production, increase strength of new hair growth. The calendula is rich in minerals and antioxidants, and the basil, when applied to hair and scalp as a herbal rinse, acts as an anti-inflammatory and strengthens hair against breakage and improves circulation. So I just decided to go with this. I went with this combo on a whim. I was trying to figure out like what products do I want to do, and I just thought these products would work well in terms of moisture, and it definitely did. I don't know why I never tried this product combo before, and honestly I would do this product combo one more time because I have just enough for to do my hair one more wash day between the leave-in and the hair milk complex. So, and as you can see, I started sectioning off into 4 sections on both sides because I wanted to do that and make sure it was moisturized before I actually applied the red hair paint wax. I found that was better because I know the last time when I applied it on my hair, it was difficult to do those steps of doing the leave-in, doing one section at a time, and then applying the red paint wax. So I just went ahead and just moisturized my whole head. That way it would just be easier to just go ahead and apply the red paint wax and then just twist my hair into the sections I wanted it to be twisted in. Okay, so my camera had cut off and I didn't realize it, but you guys saw in the beginning what the red hair paint wax is. The brand is called Hair Paint Wax. There's multiple different brands that sell these paint wax. Now if you guys wanted to know like my review on this, I do have a old review, but if you're new, because I have that review has been like a whole, I think it was a year since I've last posted that review. Pretty much this brand, I don't know if they raised their prices, but I think what I remember, it was like $6 for this, and you can get different colors like all of the other brands. What I like though is that I just realized it doesn't expire till 2022, because I don't like to use this often. I think I've used it now about 4 times. One of the things that hinders me from using it a lot, which I didn't mention in my previous review because I never went back to do a review, was just the fact that it does stain to an extent. So like after I did my hair, like the whole back of my shirt was red because as my hair has grown longer, but I knew that was gonna happen because once the hair dye touches anything, it gets red. Like the bonnet that I wear, like I still have the color in now as I'm filming this, and the bonnet that I wear has red. The good thing though is that everything will, once you wash it, it will rinse off. So that's why it's not like a big deal for me, because I know that even though my shirt got stained, once I wash it in the washer, it'll be fine and it would be cleaned. So, but if that's the only thing I would say is a con. And every time I touch my hair too, that was something. One of the reasons why I didn't use it often was because like even if I touch my hair like heavily, like let's say I'm undoing my twist, the next day my hair is red, so I always have to continuously wash it for that reason. So that's the only like major con, is that it does do some staining in certain areas. But I do like that I can easily just put it on and have a new color on my hair, even if it's for a week, because that's as long as I can go before I'm like, okay, I'm ready to like wash this out. But let me know in the comments if you guys ever tried a red hair paint wax. I didn't want to make this too long. This video is way longer, but I chopped up a lot of the footage because all I was really doing was twisting my hair, making it into smaller sections. If you don't know, if you're new, I am a fine natural, and being that I'm a fine natural, I tend to have, as fine naturals, our hair doesn't have that much volume. So for me to get some good volume, I normally do my twist pretty small. Sometimes I won't do mini twists, but this is what it looks like. But anyway, make sure you like, you comment, subscribe. I'll leave an end screen of what my hair looks like, a photo, because I did not do the takedown because it was just a lot of work to take down.